Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Workspace to Salesforce detailed guide step by step. Begin by logging into your Google Workspace account. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to the Salesforce login page. Enter your Salesforce credentials and click on the login button. Once logged in, click on the app launcher icon, usually located in the upper left corner. From the app launcher, select Setup. In the Setup menu, search for Google in the Quick Find box. Select Google Apps from the search results. Click on the Connect to Google button. You will be prompted to log into your Google Workspace account if you haven't already. Authorize Salesforce to access your Google Workspace by clicking on Allow. After authorization, configure the settings based on your organization's requirements. Ensure you select the correct domain to connect with Salesforce. Next, specify the users who will have access to the integration. You can choose to enable features such as calendar sync and drive integration. Once configurations are complete, save your settings. Now proceed to test the connection by navigating to your Salesforce dashboard. Check for the Google Workspace features you just enabled. Confirm that you can access your Google Calendar and Drive from within Salesforce. If everything is functioning correctly, you have successfully connected Google Workspace to Salesforce. In case of any issues, revisit the settings to ensure all configurations are accurate. Consider consulting Salesforce support if you encounter persistent problems. Your Google Workspace is now integrated and ready to enhance your Salesforce experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.